Some commodities can make for a greener global future. For example, uranium is a low-cost, large-scale source of clean energy. The vanadium redox battery can offer virtually unlimited storage capacity for the world's new wind and solar farms. And phosphates are one of the primary nutrients for crop production globally. Uranium, vanadium, phosphate, essential for the world's growing need for clean energy and food production. And U3O8 Corp has it covered. U3O8 Corp's Berlin project is emerging into a large uranium, vanadium, and phosphate resource. It's near good infrastructure and Colombia's agricultural heartland. 60 kilometers away, the project can be serviced by a main highway, the port of La Dorada on the Magdalena River, navigable to the Caribbean, and access to rail. Plentiful power and water are also available near the project, which is well situated between Bogotá, the capital, and Medellín, a city of over 2 million people. Since acquisition in mid-2010, U3O8 Corp has aggressively advanced the Berlin project, which extends along a 10.5-kilometer mineralized trend. Drilling started in the south, with 82 boreholes totaling nearly 19,000 meters. In just the southern 3 kilometers of the project, we've defined an initial resource of 21 million pounds uranium, grading 0.11%, plus vanadium and phosphate. Excellent drill results to date include hole 35, which yielded 8 meters at 0.12% uranium, 0.47% vanadium, and 9.7% phosphate. And initial metallurgical results show outstanding recoveries of 97% uranium, 97% phosphate, and 79% vanadium, elements that make up 2/3 of the rock value. Recoveries of minerals that account for the other 1/3 include rare earths, yttrium, neodymium, as well as rhenium, nickel, and molybdenum. The project is now ready to move onto the scoping study stage. Our drilling shows excellent continuity of the mineralized layer that occurs as an asymmetrical 3-meter thick U-shaped fold like the keel of a canoe. We're now flying along that fold with the 3-meter mineralized layer in view. To date, the Berlin NI 43101 resource covers only the southern third of the property. With the known historic resource estimated on the southern 4.4 kilometers, this portion of the project has a target resource of 40 to 50 million pounds of uranium. Our trenching several kilometers north of the historic resource area shows similar mineralization and grades. For example, Trench 37 assayed 2 meters at 0.13% uranium, 1.1% vanadium, and 11% phosphate. This suggests that Berlin could be mineralized throughout the entire 10.5-kilometer trend. Based on the initial NI 43101 resource and preliminary exploration, we are targeting a global resource of 70 to 80 million pounds of uranium, plus resources in vanadium, phosphate, and other metals. U3O8 Corp is proving that the Berlin deposit has size, an exciting mix of high-value elements, and our initial results show that we can extract these commodities effectively and efficiently. Our path is clear. Show that the Berlin project is a world-class deposit with the potential to produce uranium for nuclear energy, vanadium for storage of energy, and phosphate for agriculture. Strategic commodities for a greener global future.